How to avoid risks for your tank storage business? What is the smartest way to eliminate the human factor to prevent overfills? How to comply with the liquid storage legal regulations for overfill prevention? The answer is LS. My name is Asif. I work in FAFNIR as a product manager in marketing, and today we will speak about the LS300, LS500 overfill prevention system. LS300 is a sensor that is installed in the tank and works based on a PTC principle. Bottom part of the sensor is heated, and whenever the liquid reaches the critical level, it automatically sends a signal. LS500 is the transducer that receives signals from the LS300 and initiates the alarm. Together, LS300, LS500 work as a standalone system. That means it can be installed extremely fast. Moreover, LS has the internal self-testing mechanism that will indicate when the sensor is out of order. Some of our customers use LS for more than 15 years without any maintenance. Now, let's see how the system works. I will simulate the overfill that might happen on your object. I am pouring the water into the glass container, and when the water level reaches the sensor, it triggers the transducer and the system will give an alarm. LS can be used for different applications: oil depots, tank farms, waste containers, and hose installation. We even have a special tantalum version of the sensor for aggressive acids used in chemical and pharmaceutical industries. If you care about your assets, install LS and forget what an overfill is.